Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to browse software to download and install print software. So it's very easy if you want to download and install printer software. It's very easy. Firstly, open any Chrome browser and type here google.com. Type here browser. Click on enter. And here option support browser. Click it. After here, choose as you like. Here TCP1 service. Click it. And as you like, pick choice. Here all window. After click on OK. And here option full drive and software package, printer drive and scanner drive. Here, so in my case, full drive and software package. Remember. And select any language, English China or English US Canada. Selected and agree to the URL and download. So click it. Now running download. After click on open. And select language, in my case English. Click on OK. Term and condition, click on yes. And start date, click on yes. So okay guys, this is complete browser software download and install printer software. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. And please comment this video below. Thank you for watching.